How to use WeTransfer to send files. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WeTransfer to send files quickly and easily. This is a full step-by-step guide, so let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to head over to the WeTransfer website. You can do this by typing WeTransfer.com in your browser or simply go to Google and search for WeTransfer. It should be the first link that pops up. Now, before we select our files to upload, I highly recommend compressing them into a zip file or selecting a zip file just like this. This will help you keep the file size down and makes everything easier to manage. Then you need to select the zip file you have just created. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient email address. Make sure to double check it for the accuracy. You can also add your own email address in case you want a confirmation. Finally, you need to click on that transfer button. WeTransfer will start sending your files and you will see a progress bar. Once it's done, you will get a confirmation message and your recipient will receive an email with a link to download the files. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to transfer to send files in just a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.